নমস্কাৰ, আমি লেচন 9 নেতাজী আৱাৰ ফেভাৰেট লিডাৰ পিছৰে পেৰাগ্ৰাফটো আমি পঢ়িম। দ্য নেম অফ দিছ গ্ৰেট হিৰো, দ্য নেম নেম অফ THIS দিছ গ্ৰেট GREAT গ্ৰেট HERO hero was 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 Subhas SUBHASH Subhas Chandra 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 BOSE Subhas Chandra Bose. He was 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 born 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 in Cuttack CUTTAK Cuttack on January 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 23 1897. He was 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 a brilliant 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 student STUDENT student. He stood 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 fourth FOURTH in Indian INDIN civil services examination SERVICE civil 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 SERVICE service examination 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 in England ENGLAND England, but he did not join join the civil 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 SERVICE service. He joined the freedom 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 movement 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 under the leadership LEADER leader SHIP leadership of Mahatma Gandhi GANDHI Mahatma Gandhi. This 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 brave 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 leader LEADER RAISE raised the demand DEMAND of complete independence in INDEPENDENCE independence of India for the first time FIRST first time আকৌ এবাৰ মাতি দিছোঁ চোৱা। The name of this great hero was Subhas Chandra Bose. He was born in Cuttack on January 23 1897. He was a brilliant 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 student. He stood fourth in the Indian civil service examination in England, but he did not join the civil service. He joined the freedom movement under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. This brave leader raised the demand of complete independence of India for the first time. Netaji NETAJI''S Netaji's death 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 is still 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 a mystery MYSTERY mystery. He left Singapore 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 by a Japanese 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 plane plane on August 16 1945, but he did not return. He did not RETURN return. Netaji was NETAJI Netaji was the leader 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 of all Indians INDIANS all Indians. He was against partition 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 of India. He was a true true friend FRIEND of Assam ASSAM TOO two এই যেটো TOO থাকিব দীঘলকৈ মাতিবা two really REALLY really. Netaji 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 was was an able LEADER leader of the people people. The people of India will remember 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 him forever FOREVER forever. Netaji's death is still a mystery. He left Singapore by a Japanese JAPANESE Japan ESE Japanese plane on August 16 1945, but he did not return. Netaji was the leader of Indians all Indians all INDIANS all Indians. He was against partition 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 of India. He was a true friend of Assam too really. Netaji was an able leader of people. The people of India will remember him forever. এভাৰ। তো এইখিনি তোমালোকে ইংলিছত মাতিবা, নোৱাৰিলে মোক জনাবা।